on my Henry hound. You can see this down here. Right, so for this, unclip the lid, take it off. You can see the filter, take that out. You can see I've got a paper bag in it at the moment. Now I will be getting some HEPA flows, so they'll be in it soon when that bag fills eventually. Right, so it's a HHR 202 made in 2006 or in January. It has a 1200 watt motor. Obviously it has the old on off switch. Right, it has the glamour caps. It has the power outlet for the turbo, which I don't have, and you may be able to see the E and the N are kind of wiped down. It's because I've got some scratches on here, and I kind of sprayed it and wiped it off, and it wiped a bit of the lettering off. But hey, it has a scratch on the eye and a few scratches on the bottom, which I'll just try and prove to you. There's one down there and a few on the edges and one on the bottom. And yeah, well, I've taken all the cord out, so that's good. What else? It has this one I bought a hose for it separately, so there's a 1.8 meter hose on it, and then just the old sort of tools on it, and the child's floor head. Right, I'm just going to do a bit of vacuuming. I've already done it, but hey, for the video I might as well do it again. Right, so there we go. I may as well show you a few more things on this vac. Right, so where are my tools? I have a vac crevice tool and a double-ended adapter. Put them up there. It does have the clip for the tools. I don't usually use that though. There's no point. What else? The end is cracked on there, so that's why there's some tape on it. And if you can see, that's white. That's because that's super glue. Nothing else. Don't worry about that. And yeah, so there you go. Thanks for watching the video. I'm Henry Hound.